Hello everyone, this is John and Maria. Today we are cooking dried fish in Sunny's house here in Courtney, and we're cooking it outside so it doesn't stink the house. Hi Benny. And there's Benny, big dog. Kadakdakilan ni Benny. Okay, that's good. Baglang ito yung taon ti karubang.
It's stinky fish.
So Sunny is making suka. Suka with, ano dayayan? Dajay chili peppers from the Philippines. It's from my garden in the Philippines. So this is what we are eating today. Filipino foods.
Mongo.
Munggo dito?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's munggo with
German spinach.
okay.
And tiny fish.
Oh. With tiny fish too?
Yeah.
With ano titawag na dajay tiny fish? Dried
Anchovy.
Oh yeah, dried anchovy with dried anchovy.
Do you need both?
Hanen? Jessica. So bon appetit. And there's salmon salad.
Coho.
Huh? Coho?
Yeah.
And of course we have rice. Kanya kamay no?
Oh, it's some, yeah.
We will. I'll take a little bit of picture while we're eating. A little bit.
Little bit here and a little bit there.
Yeah.
Okay, you need spoon or just?
Anan, nagima ako. Maybe I will use my spoon. Gaming tapay soup, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Untuk mana lang sa Japan skin ka?
I think you're losing weight too.
I am.
You see, when I got here, you were
Bigger.
Yeah, you were bigger. Gamit at taba ka na bigay pantalon mo nitid mo kat nabalin mo na.
I don't know.
I think very soon.
I hope not.
Isoblik na na. Siya mo ti dumakdakal.
Take turns.
Ha?
Or take turns. Can I want a bowl?
Ha?
Or what?
Ano yan?
A bowl. For your mongo.
Ano?
Okay.
Yeah, let's see.
Nakapa lang na ako. Wait, that one.
Yum yum.
Nemas ito mongo.
Okay. Filipino foods.
Fruit salad and jackfruit.
Yeah. Yum yum. Yamin katagdakkel di kitchen niya, di ba? Nakadado nga cupboards na.
Oh, I don't see mess.
That's okay. I just want to see your oven. Yeah. Double oven. Huh?
Yeah.
Look at this kitchen. It's really big.